Hello, I'm Dr. Lisa Rounds with GovCon Dynamics, and I'm here to talk to you about a really exciting government contracting course that we offer for small business owners like you. We'll teach you everything you need to know about government contracting to where you'll be able to successfully win government contracts. In fact, our course is taught live and it's also recorded so you can watch it at your own pace. In our course, we'll teach you everything you need to know about government contracting, such as company formation, registering your business, bid and contract types. We'll even teach you how to market to the government. We'll teach you about business development. We'll help you develop proposal strategies that'll win. We'll teach you about strategic pricing. Of course, we also cover things that you need to know about your organization to be compliant, such as the human resource aspect and the legal aspects. Contract management and administration is also taught. We are the experts in government contracting. In fact, we wrote the book on it. If you take our course, you'll get this book. And what we'll do during our course is we'll walk you through every one of these pages, and we'll help you work on a proposal. That's right. By the end of our course, if you choose to, if you find a contract suitable, you'll be able to submit a contract after taking our course. In fact, a lot of our clients do, and they win. So if you're interested in learning more about government contracting, check out our course. The next one is January 25th. You can find the information online. We look forward to seeing you, and I just want to encourage you, if you want to take your business from where it is now to something greater, look into taking our government contracting course. Thank you.